you do right? What was good? Come on, help me. What was good here? It was very good.
Question.
Question. Very good. What did he more do?
Eye contact.
What?
Eye contact.
Eye contact. He did fine eye contact. See how it helps already? What more was good?
The pause.
Pause. He did pauses, man. You're very skilled. Very good. What more?
Looking at the Obama look.
The Obama turn. He did the Obama turn. Very good. What more?
Personal story.
Personal story. What was the personal story?
He was Delta.
What?
No, United Airlines.
United Airlines. Yes, I couldn't hear the personal story down there, but I make him talk louder. That's one of the first problems when you're starting to do pitching, is your voice. And that's why I'm screaming. And that's why I'm emphasizing talk louder. You did an excellent job. Very, very good. Give him a big hand. This is what I love about this field. I said screaming because it's so easy to get fast. Good. Okay, and you nearly, where are you? You nearly memorized it too. You did. It was very good.